Hi, I'm Somesh Gaikwad. I'm currently working at Publicis Global as a trainee analyst. Before that, I was part of Kraftshala for 3 months. We were trained on digital marketing, and after that, I got this opportunity to work in this company, Publicis Global. It's a very good company. Before Kraftshala, I passed out in 2020 on chemical engineering. I got into this company called as Multi Organics Pvt Limited. It was chemical industry. I used to work as a production engineer there, but somehow the job wasn't for me. We had to do shifts, like sometimes double shifts, and the pay was also less. And I thought this is not the career I want. I might just do something else. So I chose digital marketing over this because it has a lot of growth potential in the future. And I researched about it, and I also came across Kraftshala. I came across this ad of Kraftshala where Varun Sethia was explaining about how it can help you build career in digital marketing. So I got interested, and after that, I researched about it. Like, if I really want to do it, I must study Kraftshala first, whether it's a good institution or something like that. So I watched all the videos on Kraftshalas, like previous testimonial talks and all, and I thought it's good. They really provide good content and also jobs. That's what really important thing. And I also researched on sites Quora, LinkedIn. So I found good reviews. It took me time to get out of the job and apply for Kraftshala, but I finally cleared the test and got into the course. I think it was one of the best experience, Kraftshala. Yes, I think I have changed a lot than beginning because I was very not good in conversations and interviews. And in Kraftshala, this is very good thing that we have conversations everywhere. And in behavioral skills sessions also, they create breakout rooms and we just talk with each other. And there were different teams across, and we used to interact. And there were also various interviews on Facebook ads, Google ads, and SEO. So, and after that, feedback sessions also, and on the resumes they had very different sessions. So like I watched my videos on first Facebook ad interview and last SEO interview. There was much difference because I improved a lot. First interview I just it was worse, but improved slowly. And one of the biggest thing I would say, the communication skills part, I improved a lot. I still need to work on it, but I think there was substantial improvement. And about the course content, I also learned digital marketing basics, at least, and I am building on it. So I think there was much difference because in college we used to bunk, and even if you don't do lectures, it's fine. But here, even if I miss the session by 15 minutes, I get absent. So it was very hard to maintain that absenteeism ratio. Also, you have to submit somewhere around, I think, 80 assignments in 3 months. So it's very hard task, and we have to apply ourselves every day. Every assignment we have to give 100%. So that was one of the challenging things, I think. The practical knowledge is there a lot because anything you study, you have to apply it practically immediately after the sessions through assignments or anything, and then the experts give the feedback. So in engineering, teachers used to teach us, and we would go and give exams. So that was the process. And we also had practicals there, but we didn't took that those seriously. But here we had, it was fun actually in Kraftshala because we also had our teammates, and it was fun to grow with them. So like this one instance I remember, we had this assignment, we had to submit it on the next day, and we were doing it till the 1 in night. So it was fun, like we were doing general chatting and also completing the assignment. That was one of the good memories. I thought, why this human skills sessions, we don't need this. Like we already know how to behave and all. But the first session of human skills was right, like really chill, and I thought this is something we might learn some new skills. And one of the important things about human skills was that every session we used to have these breakout rooms and go and chat, create assignments, do whatever they had planned for us. And this was one of the key learning experience because you hardly get to do this. And if you interact with people, I think it will help you become more better person than anything else. I think they were like very enjoyable and fun. Entire day consumed with all the session, but human skills was chill. Like it was chillest time in day we enjoyed it. So there were many expert sessions. Like every assignment we did, after that there will be one expert session. Specific expert session I remember with Sadashiv. He had this vada pav wala thing. It was first session I think his, and he said, "How will you advertise if you have a vada pav stall?" And that was one of the fun things. And we came up with crazy ideas and we told it to him. And it was his way to start the digital marketing. And it was fun actually, Sadashiv's session. His session was quite interactive, and we never like get bored and feel sleepy. His session was entertaining and all. And there was also for us, his session was also good. He had this particular example of how there was this particular real estate agent, and they were not having good digital marketing campaigns, but he helped them with creative strategies. So he explained that his sessions were also one of the enjoyable sessions. Fascinating because there were like so many things we all learned. We also made new friends. Like all of us are friends. So I think that's why it was very nice experience to me. So that's why fascinating. I would say that this is a very hardcore program. You have to work entire day, but if you take it as a challenge and like learning phase, you will get to learn a lot of things, and you don't even know that how this 3 months passed off. It was the same with us. Like we got in, we got out, and got placed. So it might seem hard during those days, and you might also question yourself, why am I doing this, whether it will really give results. But after 3 months, I think it will, if you are honest and if you put your efforts, it will pay off. And it happened with most of us. So there was this trainer in Publicis. She was the communication skills trainer. So she said that I have never seen batch like this. Like we were a batch of 13 people. We used to be always on time, always on cameras, always like at our best behavior. And we said we had this experience of Kraftshala. That's why we are so punctual and all. So she said, great. I would like to visit more people like you. Like this was one of the best experience of her, and that's what she said.